The animals of the forest. Forests are home to many different kinds of animals that live among the trees. In the forest, animals can find food, water, and a safe place to rest or hide. Some animals, like deer and rabbits, eat plants and grass that grow on the ground. Others, like owls and foxes, hunt smaller animals to survive. Every animal in the forest has a role in the circle of life. The trees and plants also help clean the air and give shade to the animals. Forests are full of life, sound, and color every day. Some animals are very small, like ants, frogs, and butterflies. Others are much bigger, like bears, wolves, and wild cats. Birds fly high above the trees while squirrels jump from branch to branch. At night, different animals come out, such as bats and raccoons. Many animals use their colors to hide from danger or to surprise their food. Each animal has special skills to live in the forest. Watching them is a great way to learn about nature and respect all living things. The forest gives animals everything they need, but they also must protect themselves. Some animals build homes in the trees, while others dig holes in the ground. Bears make warm places to sleep during the cold winter months. Birds build nests for their eggs using leaves and twigs. Many animals live in families or groups to stay safe from danger. They use sounds and body movements to talk to each other. Life in the forest is full of teamwork and smart behaviors. People must take care of the forest so animals can continue to live there. Cutting down too many trees can destroy the homes of many animals. Pollution can make the water dirty and the air unsafe for breathing. Protecting forests helps the whole planet, not just the animals. We can plant trees, recycle, and learn more about forest life. When we visit forests, we should be quiet and kind to the animals. The animals of the forest need us, and we also need them to keep the world healthy. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and follow us for more.